my name's Ross, and I'm going to show you how to drive. See, that's the mid-on drive. Okay, now watch the next one. That's the back foot drive. That's defective. That is the offside drive. And this is the cover drive. Okay, they were all drives.